Mais ouais, il y a moins de contacts, il y a plus de distance, il y a de moins en moins de gens qui donnent pour la manche.
Taoufik is talking about the difficulties of merely existing in times of coronavirus. He has spent the last 12 years in the streets. His friend Laurent, the past 10. Today, they are among the most vulnerable communities in the public health emergency their country and the rest of the world is facing. The French Red Cross is among the organizations working not to leave them behind. And for that, they had to redesign operations.
On porte le masque, on porte les gants.
Euronews got to follow one team in the streets of a Paris suburb, distributing food and conducting medical checks on the homeless.
They're in a desperate situation. Things aren't easy for them. We don't do much, but it's something.
Most of the people we meet are aware of what COVID-19 is and know what an easy prey they can be to it.
J'ai encore mal à
Et vous avez peur?
Comme tout le monde. On n'a pas le choix.
In order to avoid that on top of a public health emergency, we have a humanitarian one. The Red Cross is today engaged on all fronts, mobilizing all of its volunteers and social workers all over the country.
Some among the army of 60,000 volunteers the Red Cross counts on are charged with picking up the phone. This service receives calls from all over France, from people who need medicine or food delivered or simply someone to talk to. In its first week of operations, these responders registered over 31,000 calls.
Des personnes qui allaient dans un isolement social complet.
Those without family, without neighbours, those who are fragile in view of the epidemic because they're older than 70 or have chronic diseases. We knew we needed to intervene among those in complete social isolation.
Exceptional times call for exceptional measures.
Je pense que ni les services hospitaliers ni
I think that neither hospitals nor the relief forces alone can respond to the crisis of this magnitude. I think only the mobilization of all members of society, the citizens, companies, communities, can tackle this.
Il faut pouvoir mobiliser pour répondre à cette crise.
Beyond a public health emergency, the coronavirus outbreak is quickly becoming a test of solidarity for people all over the world. Annelise Borges in Paris for Euronews.